So I got another part that I found that I didn't have and couldn't really find any good remans for it. I need to make new door handles for the charger today. So I got a couple pieces of aluminum cut out, and I'm basically just gonna weld these tabs onto the backs of these and shape these in to fit the pocket pretty nice. So I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna match this up in the door and kind of get a little bit better profile than just by making something up completely. So I'm gonna do that first, mark it up, and then I'll go ahead and do an initial like cutout from that, and then I'll weld these on. Alright, we'll get started.
Well, that was easy. That didn't turn out too bad. I think it looks pretty good. I basically just went with about the same style as the originals, just slightly different, a little bit more handmade. Not perfect, but she'll work and don't look half bad. So that'll be it for today. Thanks for watching.